My name is Kyla McKay. I live in Pasadena, Texas, and Mr. Taylor is my senator. I'm testifying on behalf of my family in opposition to the proposed cuts to the CHIP and Medicaid programs. We are hardworking, middle-class individuals with two medically complex kids. Without CHIP and Medicaid, we would be financially ruined, and there is a very strong chance our children would not be alive today. Katie, my 11-year-old, is covered by Medicaid as part of the Medically Dependent Children's Program, which has already experienced cuts that have affected her care. She has mitochondrial disease, which affects multiple body systems. It took us years to find her diagnosis and build a team of physicians that understand the disease and how to treat it. She relies on a feeding tube for her nutrition and requires supplemental oxygen, along with a variety of other needs. Further cuts could be catastrophic for her and for us. Katie is an active, intelligent child in spite of her medical challenges. Her future could be very bright, but if she loses access to her physicians and the medical equipment she relies on to survive, she might not have a future. My baby, Josephine, was born with a large hole in her heart that required open heart surgery. Medicaid is the reason that her heart defect was diagnosed. It's the reason that she could be treated and have a life-saving surgical procedure. Medicaid is the reason that we were able to have her life-threatening food allergies diagnosed, and these programs also provided life-saving EpiPens, cardiology checkups, feeding therapy so that she won't be reliant on a feeding tube in the future. Josie's life has just started, and for her to have a chance of long-term survival, she needs continued access to the medical care that keeps her alive. I know you have a difficult job of setting a budget for our state and choosing what to prioritize. As a taxpayer, I believe that prioritizing our children's health is a wise investment that will pay dividends for a long time to come. It's also important to remember that these are not just numbers to be balanced. They represent real lives that you hold great power over. Texas prides itself on being pro-life, and these children desperately need you to choose life for each and every one of them. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your testimony.